Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Is it safe to download cracked software on Mac? As long as you take reasonable precautions while downloading Mac apps, you should be safe. All the usual advice applies. Don't download pirated or cracked apps. Don't use unknown mirrors. Don't use third-party installers, and run an antivirus at all times. Can cracked software be traced? A report by security company Cybereason estimates that over 500,000 machines have been infected by malware from just one cracked app. Once a user has downloaded and installed cracked software, the malware hidden inside can steal information from their computer. Is it illegal to download cracked software? Downloading and using cracked software is illegal. Alternatively, if you are caught with pirated software, you might receive a fine. In the US, these fines can be up to $250,000. If you are caught distributing pirated software, you could even face jail time. Is it okay to use cracked software? Using or distributing pirated software constitutes a violation of software copyright law. Even if a person uses pirated software innocently, most sites offering cracked software don't warn people they're breaking the law by using it. Their actions could cause consequences for their companies, jobs, and livelihoods.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.